Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do an update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, we have lots of things to cover out. We have a Jeremy Powell speech which actually happened before a couple hours, and guys, we saw this insane volatility on the Bitcoin price, especially in the lower time frame. I'm going to show you exactly right now that we saw this insane up and down on the price. We saw suddenly the Bitcoin price pump up to $23,350, and then afterwards, subsequently the next hour, we saw Bitcoin price collapsing back to $22,800. And guys, I warned you for this volatility on my Twitter. I did a Twitter that we're gonna have an imminent volatility on the Bitcoin price, and also I update you on YouTube community. That's why, guys, you should follow me on Twitter, because I'm updating you about what's happening on the Bitcoin price, guys, within a day, so you won't have to wait that much to see my next video, which coming up around every 24 hours. So guys, on this video right now, we're gonna speak what actually Jeremy Powell told us in his speech. Is actually this thing bearish, bullish, what I'm expecting, and what's my approach. I'm gonna analyze you exactly how I look the things right now. And guys, also, as you can clearly see, the Bitcoin price is standing currently at $23,200, and I'm gonna tell you guys two scenarios that's probably gonna play out on this current situation, because we have this insane volatility that must be fade out to find the right trajectory. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, where we're gonna get in a short term and also in the mid long term, what's my approach, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. And before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way, guys, you are helping me so much to continue this journey with a very simple process of daily likes, daily comments, and share with your friends. You are actually helping me a lot, and a big thank you to everyone who participated to this support and love, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because guys, as you know, the most important pattern that we have right now is this rise wedge pattern. And because we had the breakout which happened at the area of $23,350, and because of that breakout, guys, we saw the Bitcoin price collapsing at $22,600, and we have lots of important support areas that we have discussed, and one of the most important support areas is the $22,500. Okay, this is one of the most important support areas, and if we're gonna break this support area, guys, we're gonna see probably a Bitcoin as a free fall to $21,000. Okay, and also we have this double top position which is still playing out, but we found weakness to surpass this very strong support area, which is the base of this double top, and there is a probability to see a triple top. Okay, if we're gonna see any pump to the upside, there is a very big probability to see something like a triple top on this current situation if we're gonna see a pump to the upside. Because guys, here, before I'm gonna analyze you why we saw this volatility today, there is a probability to see some pump up to $23,400 to retest this insane support area, which was previously a very strong support area, as a resistance. And guys, if we're gonna retest this one, there is a very huge probability then to see a reversal with an insane rejection, and we're gonna see straight Bitcoin going straight to this $22,500 area to retest it. And I highly believe that we're gonna have a breakout, and with that breakout, we're gonna see a free fall subsequently. So guys, before I will jump more into technicals, I would like to jump what happened on this actually Fed Jeremy Powell speech. And guys, in the beginning, and I'm gonna show you simultaneously in the chart exactly how we saw and why we saw this volatility. Guys, Jeremy Powell initially began with expect 2023 to be a year of significant decline in inflation. And guys, when actually he stated that, we saw this insane pump from $22,900 around here. We saw insane pump up to $23,350 around this area. And guys, this happened exactly as it happened before in the FOMC meeting speech, which actually told us that we are in deflation stage. And because of those sentences, because of those words, we saw that insane pump to the upside. But subsequently, he continues with the bearish news that most of the time he usually do. First they say he said something bullish, and then he subsequently he covered out with all these bearish things that's happening right now. Okay, and most people try to ignore. He subsequently told us probably need to do further interest rates increases and hold rates at restricted level. First bearish sign, and if data were to continue to come in stronger than expected, would certainly raise rates more. Guys, this is ultra bearish. I don't know why people saw this as a bullish. They actually probably stick with these deflation states that he began his speech. But guys, you should really pay attention into small details. If the rates won't stop increasing, we won't see the bull run. Very simply, if the rate's gonna continuously increasing, and he didn't state us when it's gonna stop. Okay, probably it's gonna stop, and we're gonna stay. We're gonna see. We don't know exactly where and how long we're gonna see these increasing rates. He didn't announce something that can actually prove us that the bull run is very, very close. Yes, it's very close if you look at it as an outzoom. It can happen at the end of the 2023, but not anytime soon. Okay, it can happen at the end of the 2023 if in the next 5 to 6 months we're gonna see some bullish recovery from fundamentals. Okay, only then we're gonna see the real investors dumping lots of money into the market. Otherwise, we won't see something like that, and we're gonna stay on this bearish situation, and we're gonna have lots of manipulation by big whales. And guys, all this kind of thing is gonna push us into a maximum pain, because we're gonna see some bearish things gonna happen in the next coming months, and those bearish things gonna actually collapse the Bitcoin price into very, very low number. And with that way, we're gonna see the last capitulation, more recession, more all of these things. Okay, that's all. So right now I will show you some indicators, and I'm gonna close the video. MACD is still bearish. Okay, right now it's squeezed a lot because we saw this insane volatility, but there is a point of there are two scenarios. The first scenario is to see insane rejection back to 23,000, under $23,000, and the second scenario, guys, is the scenario that I told you, with the resistance of $23,400 to get a little bit more up, to retest it, and then we're gonna see the rejection. Okay, and as you can clearly see, also we have the exponential moving average is still bearish, 50 and 200, but okay, this is very, very temporarily. Things we need to see this volatility fade out, because right now this is not a real pump according to what I believe, because fundamentally Jeremy Powell, he prepared us for a bearish things. Okay, this is exactly what I believe. And guys, I'm gonna put right now the daily time frame, and I'm gonna show you the most bearish indicator that's flashing currently, which is the exponential moving average, and sorry, it's the weekly, because weekly, guys, we saw for the first time this death cross going live. And guys, this death cross is one of the biggest indicators of exponential moving average 15 to 100 that flashed for the first time, and that's probably gonna cause this last capitulation to a lower price on the Bitcoin, which is gonna drop the Bitcoin to very, very low numbers. So guys, prepare for these things, because it's very, very important, and there are small details, and with this death cross, probably gonna see the last capitulation of the market. And also, of course, we have the MACD indicator in the daily time frame, which is still bearish, and I believe, guys, that we're gonna stay on this MACD bearish territory lots of days. Okay, so this is exactly what I believe to happen for the Bitcoin price. Let me know down below in the comment section what you believe about for the next move on the Bitcoin price. Every opinion is welcome. Just justify it with your knowledge, and if you believe to those things that I'm telling you or not. Okay, I don't want you actually to hope on my analysis. I would like you actually to agree or disagree. This is simply, I don't want you to listen me blindly. I would like you to listen what I'm telling you, and try to work on your mind those details, those infos, and with that try to find an outcome that you can clearly see the truth, because I'm trying to show you the truth right now. And because, guys, in every video I'm suggesting you to do DCA, because I don't want you to wreck you on with trades. no matter if it's a long trade or a short trade, because you have no idea how to trade. 99% of people are getting wrecked out, and that's why the trading on this current situation of the bear market is only for very experienced traders and not for everyone. Okay, that's exactly the opposite of what most people say to you, that trading is for everyone, everyone can make crazy profits. It's not, guys. It's very difficult, and it's only for very, very professional experienced traders which had lost in crazy amount of money into trading. Okay, and guys, the best thing you have to do is to actually divide your initial amount of capital amount that you have into some, let's say 5 months from now. You can put every day, divide it this initial capital amount, and divide it into 150 days, and try and put some money every day on the market without caring if the price is going to get upwards or downwards. It's the most stress-free method because you focus on the long run. Okay, in 3 years from now, in 6 years from now, and with that way you're going to have always profit. And the best period to do accumulation in DCA, guys, is here right now on the bear market. And if you're gonna see the drop, which I'm expecting a lot, as I told you, you can double down your DCA positions because the opportunity is gonna be crazy. Okay, but if, let's say, the 10% probability which I can give you right now, that we're gonna see the bull run from time to time, and because the 90% I give you right now to see the rejection, the last capitulation, but let's say the 10% is going to be upwards, you're gonna get all your money with your profits instantly. Very simple method. That's all. See you guys tomorrow with my fresh updates. Follow me on Twitter to do not miss any update, and until tomorrow, your boy Chris out. Bye.